Fantastic. I'm going to be going through a two-part video. The first part of the video is finding without area, without a diagram, and the next part would be with a diagram given in the exam. So let's look at this question. Exam question, total of 9 marks. L1 has the equation of y equals 3x plus 2 and L2 has 3x plus 2y. Find the gradient of L2. Straight away you can say 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals 0. Therefore, flipping that on that side will give me 2y is equals to 8 minus 3x. So that y will be equals to 4 subtract 3 over 2x. So that's the first. Therefore, our gradient therefore would be negative 3 over 2. So doing that, we can say now find the intersections of L1 and L2 is P. So what we're going to do is intersect the curves and see where we are. So that will be the following. It would be 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals 0, and y is equals to 3x plus 2. We can substitute y into here. So it will be 3x. We don't need 2y, we need 2 lots of y. So 2 open bracket 3x plus 2. Minus 8 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 6x plus 4 minus 8 equals 0. So 9x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x equals to 4 over 9, which is equals to, that's 4 over 9 is the answer. So our x value here, x coordinate is 4 over 9. Now going to the other coordinate, so going back to the y value and placing that one there. So y is equals to 3 lots of x is 4 over 9, plus 2. So 3 times 4, y is equals to 12 over 9 plus 2, and then y will be equals to 12 over 9 is going to be 4. So 4 over 3, and I'm going to change it 6 over 3. Therefore, it's basically 2. So 4 plus 6 is 10 over 3. And 10 over 3 is going to be 3.3. 10 divided by 3 is 3.3. So my point, therefore, would be I'm going to leave my answers like this. Is much better. So it's going to be 4 over 9. Again, do not change them to to decimals, as they are reoccurring. Only if you were to write reoccurring, then that's absolutely fine. But keep them as fractions is better. Now it says L1 and L2 cross the line y equals 1 at the points A and B respectively. So here I can't really do it without a diagram. Very important to have a diagram. So I'll do this with you. So I grab my ruler and I'm looking at the curve. So if we know that the line is going to be so if we look at it in terms of, let me just get my axis quickly. And draw a straight line. So it's very difficult to do it without a diagram. I don't know who will do it. If you got a graphic calculator, fair dues. But if you haven't got it, it'll be very difficult. So I always say either if you got a graphic calculator, you don't need to draw it. And if you haven't got a graphic calculator, please do draw, because it'll help you loads in the exam. Okay, so let's draw the first line. The first line crosses at 2, so if you say that it's 2 right here, but we need 2 points. So what points I always do, guys, is I always say put x as 1. So 3 times 1 is basically 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So 1, that's going to be 2. So 2 is here, 3, 4, and 5. So 1, 5 would be here. So get my ruler, line that up. So it's a quick sketch, being able to identify your y-intercept quickly, your x-intercept, you don't need to x-intercept, choose 1 point, and then line them up. and draw your line. It's rubbish. So our line would go up like that. Now drawing the other line, which is going to be 3x plus 2y minus 8. We say that we can rewrite that as going to be 4 minus 3 over 2x is equals to y. That means it crosses at 4. So if you think about it as 1, 2, 3, 4. So it crosses at this point. So I'm going to choose x equals 2. So 4 minus 3 over 2 times 2. That'll give me 4 minus 6 over 2, which is 4 take away 3. So 6 4 take away 3. So choosing x equals 2 here, it's going to be 1. So it'll be about there. So now we can draw the line, the second line. I'll change my color. Sorry, it's a bit fiddly, I do apologize. So now we can draw this line. So now we've got these two lines. We'll get, and now it says that y equals 1. Y equals 1. So drawing a line of y equals 1, it's going to be always at keep your calculator at your ruler at 0 degrees. And I'm gonna choose a line, a yellow, a blue line for that one. Y equals 1 would be here. So now we've drawn all the lines. We see what the question wants. It says line L1 and L2 cross the line y equals 1 at points A and B. So that means this point is A and this point is B. This point we know the intersection, which we call actually the question P. So now we have to find basically the points A and the points B, and also find the height of the triangle and base of the triangle, and then we're done. So what you do here is the following. We say that L1 and L2 cross the line y equals 1. So let's find the points A and B. We know that the line is y equals 3x plus 2. And we know that line is y equals 1. So all we're going to do is put the values in for this value there. We can get the base straight away. So put y equals 1. Therefore it will be 1 is equals to 3x plus 2. So minus subtract 2 on that side. So 3x will be equals to minus 1. So x is equals to negative a third. So first x for A is equals to negative a third. Then to get B, we're going back to the other formula. So 3x plus 2y. We know y is equals to 1. So 2 lots of 1 minus 8 equals 0. So 3x plus 2 minus 8 will give me minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6 over 3, which is 2. So now we know the distance minus a third and 2. To find the distance between them, we do 2 minus minus a third, which gives us a base of, so 2 minus minus a third will give me a base of 7 over 3. So now we know the distance from here to here is 7 over 3. We need to find the height of the point P. To do this is we know x value of P already, which is going to be which is given already as 4 over 9. So that is 4 over 9, the x value of P. And we also know the y value of is 10 over 3. So we need to know also that this point here is 1. Okay, this point here is 1. So the distance from here to here is going to be 1 subtract 10 over 3. So subtract 3 over 3. And 10 subtract 3 is going to be 7 over 3. So fantastic, the height is 7 over 3 and the base is 7 over 3, which is weird, but it happens as it is. 7 over 3 times 7 over 3 times a half is equal to 7 times 7 is 49. Back at your calculator, 7 over 3 times 7 over 3 times half gave me 49 over 18. That is my area, 49 over 18. And I hope that helps your question.